Hey guys, today we are playing Subway Surfers. It has been a very long time since I've played it, maybe over a year now. I'm not really aware of the new updates, so let's just play. I've just started something here. I have to go 30,000 things forward to beat the daily high score. I don't know, do I still got the moves? No, I don't. Don't really know what to do. Maybe let's check out others. Why do I have 29 notifications from home? Okay. Okay. We'll have a board. Nice. As you may have noticed, I'm not wearing the default skin. I have the robot selected, Tagbot, instead of... What's his name? Where is he? Here. Jake. Instead of Jake, I have Tagbot equipped. So this video won't just be gameplay, it's gonna be like checking out all the new stuff. Maybe old stuff, I don't know. Maybe I just missed it. Oh, how did I die? Okay, here we go. This again. Wait, I can't. Oh, there we go. On that times two. No! Why? Why did my finger move at the last second? Hop. Wee. Wee. Oh, actually, I want that star. No. No! That's so annoying. Oh, I got those boots last second. Now I can jump on trains. Sad. Stop! Oh, I got the star, yes. Wait, when did I have a mission? To pick up 5 magnets? What, my game was glitching so hard, and it didn't even let me go forward. Okay, we're back after the ad. Now it should give me hoverboard. Wait, 20? What? Huh? Oh no, it's supposed to. Are you kidding? Wait. Inside. This game is so stressful sometimes. Knowing that like one mistake can end the whole run. No. Wee. Bam. Boop. Pow. Boom. Bam. To the side. Side. Up. ADAC, I think it said. AC/DC is a band. Okay, we're restarting. Whee! Hop that, bing bang, boop bop, bing bam. Ha. Yeah, hot. Whee! Hop. Whee! I've been saying still. I'm playing it risky. No! No! It just said I had double jump. That is not fair. Okay. Yeah. Hey guys, let's do one more playthrough, one more run, and then I think we'll end it there, maybe. Yeah. The side to the left. There. Wee. Over that. Over that to the side. Over that. Yeah. I'm trying to get like every single coin I can.
Our lady ones fit better than the kids ones.
Let's. I like when there's moving trains, but like you can actually complete it. Still night. Wee. Over that. Next to that. Over that. Under. Over. Over. Let's go over. Over. And then there. Bing bang boop. And then let's go over that. Over that. There we go. Bing bang boop.